Today I am going to talk about Regula Falsi method, one of the root finding technique. So here is the problem statement. Find a root of fx x cube minus 4x plus 1 using Regula Falsi method. So first we have to check the root lies between the interval. So here I am selecting interval a and b. So here a is 0 and b is equal to 1, and then calculate fa and fb. So if I plug that a is equal to 0, means x is equal to 0, so I'll get f0 is 1 positive, and b is equal to 1. If I plug x is equal to 1, so that will give minus 2 negative. Since fa and fb have opposite signs, so root lies between a to b, means 0 to 1. So now here is that formula. Compute c using Regula Falsi formula. So c is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a, fb minus fa. So now if I plug that a is 0, f of b is that is 2, then b 1, f of a means f0 is 1, then f of b minus 2, and then f of 0 minus 1. So c will be 0.333. Now we have to check the fc, so whether it is positive or negative. So fc that is c.333. so if I plug that, so I'll get minus 0.2963. so that is actually negative. So here fa is positive and fc is negative, so updated interval to that is c to b, so 0 and 0.333. now next conversion check. So f of c, so less than 0.3. so if that f of c less than 10 to the power minus 3, so convergence achieved. Now here fc is 0.2963, so that convergence not achieved, so proceed to next iteration. So now that again a is actually 0, and now b become 0.333. now again calculate c. So using that the formula, first we have to calculate that a, fb, b, fa, everything, and then if we plug again, I'll get that c is equal to 0.2571. again we have to calculate fc. So fc is something, if I plug that c, so that is 0.00116. now again so here fa is positive and fc is negative, so interval will be 0 to 0.2571. now again as fc is 0.00116, so greater than 10 to the power minus 3, so convergence not achieved, so we have to go next iteration. So now again here interval a and b 0 and 0.2571. so now if I plug everything, and we'll get c, so that is 0.2542. so now again we have to calculate fc. so here fc is minus 3.8225 e to the power minus 04. so now here if I check the convergence, so that is convergence achieved, and stop the iteration. So now verification. So x cube minus 4x plus 1, so we got that x is actually 2542 cube 4 into 0.2542 plus 1, so we'll get that 0, means actually minus 3.8225 e to the power minus 4, so that is approximate value is 0. so the solution is verified, and here approximate root is 0.2542 by using Regula Falsi method. That's it.